Hello guys, this is Chadley DoRight here, and thought I'd give you guys kind of a rundown of what I'm doing with these nails. I've got really good light right now because I'm right below this fluorescent light. I'm hoping you can see this. It's actually kind of cooled down a bit. This is the 4th of July and we got some storms trying to roll in, so I'm going to try to do a handful of these. So all these are down here lower, they're already done, so what this will do is this will kind of help lubricate the nails as they get hammered out. I have to help combat the heat, I've got a soaking wet t-shirt on. I've got some gloves, a chisel, the punch of some Vise Grips. Oops. It's hard to keep it centered. This is steel and aluminum. Dang, it's really hot too, even with the shirt on. So I gotta do that a handful of other times. I'll try to bring it back in when I go to the other side of the garage to how I go about taking it off. And it is thundering outside, so I kinda gotta be careful doing this. So Chadley DoRight out.